guys, today I'm going to show you the Bing Webmaster. It is very similar to Google Search Console. You can track your web impressions or clicks and where competitors are coming from and which URL are taking impression. These are similar to Google Search Console, but in Bing Webmaster you can make keyword search and you can make research about your backlinks for your site or backlinks for to any site. To analyze your competitor's backlink is very crucial for the websites and or e-commerce owners. So people are generally using Ahrefs or SEMrush, but Bing Webmaster is a very free good tools to use, and Microsoft provide that also. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make a backlink search for your competitors or yourselves, or even how to make keyword research, because also you want to follow your keyword and their volume. But there's another bad points for them, I think, because in the keyword research gives the volume of the Microsoft, I think. So it is a little not similar to Google Search Console, but it gives idea, and Bing and Microsoft tool are very competitors at these days, and it will change in a good way for the future. So it is good to use the Bing Webmaster tools for your websites. So let's start. Right now we have Google Search Console, or GCG for short. It's a free tool offered by Google, making it accessible for everyone. So with Google Search Console, you can perform a keyword research to identify what users are searching for and how your website ranks for those keywords. You can also monitor your website's health, checking for crawl errors, indexing issues, and mobility usage mobility problems. So additional, Google Search Console allows you to track backlinks to your site and provides valuable insights through it reports and helping you to understand your website traffic and user behavior. And also I want to mention a little bit with Bigmaster, and this has a very good advanced features. With Bigmaster, you can track your website's ranking for specific keywords across different search engines and conduct competitor analysis to understand their SEO strategies and keywords, and deep diving into backlink analysis for a comprehensive view of your website's link profile. I will show them how you can analyze the referring pages, domains, or anchor text. This is very useful when we compare with the Google Search Console. And also you can make the keyword research. You can write your keyword and you can get details. And also you can make crawl, and this SEO report. This is a free version and it will tell you the problem. For example, if you have a missing title, it can be sometimes H1 tag missing. It shows you, and you can solve these problems for your websites, and you can check your site's scan. So you can start free, and I'm going to show you firstly how you can sign in. You will just sign in and you will say like great. I'm just writing random mail. I'm not sure will it work. It says it's not valid. Okay. And anyway, I will use one of my mails. Say next, and we create a passport, and it's done. We are saying continue. Now, what we need, you can, if you had an already verified Google Search Console, you can import your sites from Google Search Console, or you can, for example, say add. After that, you can continue to loading. For example, if you say import, and this will lead you to how you can connect. And if you add a mail, you can use that. But I already set up for my site, so I will use that. Once you set up, you will have this kind of homepage. I'm sorry, this is URL submission. Now you have this kind of page, and this site is so beginning of the live. So it says you don't have enough inbound links from high quality domains, and it gives you a suggestion, for example, that what you can improve. Anyway, there are some navigation menu, and you can make search. You can search performance, and with also here you can make URL inspection. Is it, for example, when you click here for URL inspection and say inspect, and it gets inspect, and it shows you is your problems, and you can fix them, and also it shows you how to fix, and here is the solution, and it's an easy way to find problems. And for the site explorer, it shows you the general information of the indexed pages, and this is the URLs, block URLs, what you can do. Or for example, if you want to block URL, you can block from here. And also this is the sitemaps of the web page, and this is very important for the SEO. If you didn't create, you have to make it. Now I'm going to show you how we can backlinks, how we can check them. It will list according to domains, pages, and also anchor text. And if it will show you how you get backlinks. For example, it will use step by step for, and it will check from another websites. So it shows you total referring domains, total referring pages, and anchor text. On the other hand, you can make comparison. That is very good. You can write any URL here after you create. For example, I added reddit.com to here, make a comparison. As you can see, it's 25 million. And what are the source of the domain? So why this is the important? You can find your competitors, and you can add your competitors here, and you can check their source of link incomes. That's very important to follow them. And also another thing you can do is keyword research. With this keyword research, you can write, for example, a keyword and get details. It will give you the related keywords, question keywords, and newly discovered. It will change according to keywords volume. So according to global breakdown, and you can also arrange the country, language, even device. So you will see also top 10 URL ranking for this keyword, and you can check these URL these websites, so you can rearrange your strategy according to that. It is also another important thing. And also with the site scan, you can start a scan, and it will show you the problems, what problems has, what kind of errors you have, and what kind of warnings you have, so you can find the problem according to that. And also there is a click Microsoft Clarity. It will direct you to Microsoft Clarity. It's analytic tools like Google Analytic. This is also very good. In another video, I will show you that how you can use it. Right now, this is just a small information about how you can use the Microsoft Bing Webmaster tools. This is very useful. I really suggest you to use for backlinks and compare the backlinks to any site. It's very important, I think.